Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Open the account you want to protect and go straight to its two-factor authentication section. You don't need to fuss with basics. Choose the option to use an Authenticator app, then select the option to scan a QR code. Once done, open Google Authenticator, tap the plus sign, and pick Scan a QR code. Make sure your phone camera focuses clearly while the code is visible on the computer screen so the app can capture the secret quickly. After scanning, the app immediately generates a 6-digit code. That code rotates every 30 seconds, which is why timing matters. Enter the displayed code into the account's verification field and submit. This step proves the phone and account now share the same secret. Once verified, store any backup codes shown by the service or enable a recovery method because those codes are your fallback if you lose the device. Do this before you finish the setup to avoid lockout. Complete the process by confirming two-factor authentication is active and then sign out and back in to test that the Authenticator code works for real. If codes are rejected, make sure your phone's time is set to automatic network time and resync the Authenticator app if available. Incorrect device time is the most common reason codes fail. Finally, keep backup codes somewhere safe. This ensures you can regain access if you lose the phone, and that prevents a lengthy account recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.